Kailash is a divine calling, but many devotees quietly wonder if their body can handle the journey. To support such devotees, the Lucknow Helicopter Route is designed to reduce physical strain without rushing the journey. The yatra begins from Lucknow and moves to Nepalgunj before reaching the mountain town of Simikot. From Simikot, a short helicopter crossing takes pilgrims to Hilsa, the entry point into Tibet. From there, the journey continues gradually towards Lake Manasarovar and Darchen, allowing the body to adapt step by step. This route is especially suitable for first-time pilgrims, elderly devotees with basic fitness, and those who wish to experience Kailash with greater physical support. With Touch Kailash, this journey is guided with care, preparation, and deep respect for the pilgrim's well-being.